Hello dear students, welcome to another class of math. Today we are discussing few word problems in the lesson 7 more on multiplication. Exercise 7.2 page number 8. First question is a hotel has 11 floors. Each floor has 52 rooms. How many rooms are there in the hotel? So it's given number of floors in the hotel is 11 and each floor has 52 rooms. So total number of rooms in the hotel is 11 multiplied by 52 is equal to 572. Second question is a grocer sells 4 dozen eggs in a day. How many eggs does he sell in 14 days? It's given egg cells in one day is 4 dozen. So egg cell in 14 days is 14 into 4, 56 dozen. 4 means it's 4 dozen. Okay. One day 4 dozen. So 14 days 56 dozen. We know that 1 dozen means 12 numbers. So total number of egg cells is 56 into 12 is equal to 672. 56 dozen means 672 eggs. Third question, the students of school are divided into groups of 12 for an activity. There are 26 such groups. How many students participate in the activity? It's given number of students in one group is 12. There are 26 such groups. So total number of students is 12 into 26. It's 312. Okay. Then fourth question. A juice vendor sells around 38 glasses of juice every day. If each glass of juice costs rupees 25, how much does he earn every day? Given one day he sells 38 glasses of juice. Cost of one glass juice is rupees 25. So total amount or money he earned in a day is 38 multiplied by 25. It's 950 rupees 950. In one day he earned rupees 950. And next question, fifth question, it's just to do the multiplication. You already completed that. And the sixth question, a milkman sells 18 liters of milk every day. How much milk will he sell in the months of March and April together? So in a day he sells 18 liters. Total number of days in the months of March and April we have to find out, because it asks how much liters or how many liters sells in both months together. So total number of days in March and April are 61. So milk sales in those months together is 18 into 61, 1098 liters. Okay children. Seventh question, 55 people can travel in a bus. How many people can travel in 13 such buses? It's very easy. Number of people can travel in one bus is 55. So in 13 bus, total number of people can travel 55 into 13 is equal to 750. Eighth question, a car covers 98 kilometers in an hour. How many kilometers will it cover in 11 hours if it moves at the same speed? So speed of the car is given. It's 98 kilometers per hour. That means in 1 hour it covers 98 kilometers. So we need to find how many kilometers he covered in 11 hours. So 11 hours, 11 into 98 is equal to 1078 kilometers. And here a baker bakes 63 loaves of bread a day. How many loaves of bread will he bake in 2 weeks? Bread bakes in a day is 63 loaves. So 2 weeks, we know that 2 weeks means 14 days. So bread bakes in 2 weeks is 63 into 14 is equal to 882 loaves. Children, here you have to write covered correction, COVERED. COVERED D. Okay. 10th question. The students of grade 3 contribute rupees 50 each to the Red Cross Society. There are 4 sections in grade 3 with 24 children in each section. What is the total amount that grade 3 contributes to the Red Cross Society? Given contribution by one student is rupees 50. There are 4 sections in grade 3. In our school we know that third A, third B, third C, like that. In that school there are 4 sections. Each section has 24 students. In one section 24 students. So we have to find first total number of students. So 4 section, one section 24 students. So total 96 students in the grade of 3. Okay, in the class of 3 there are 96 students or children. So each child contribute rupees 50. So total amount contributed by grade 3 students is 96 into 50 is equal to rupees 4,800. Okay children, thank you. Write all these question and answer in your notebook.